Hello students, today we will study the first chapter of maths and the name of the chapter is number system. As you all know that numbers play a very important role in mathematics. Numbers are used to count and measure, and we can express the numbers in words as well as in figures. So here, notation. Writing a number in figures is called notation. Means whenever we are writing a number in figures, it is known as notation. As you can see in this example, 43, 29, and you can write many more examples like this. So this is called notation. Now numeration. When we are writing a number in words, it is called numeration. As you have studied in your previous classes that we can write the number in words. So similarly, 56 can also be written in words. So if we are writing a number in words, it is called numeration. Now digits. In Hindu-Arabic system, there are 10 symbols which are used to represent any number. And these 10 symbols are called digits. And what are these 10 symbols? These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. By using these 10 symbols, we can represent many numbers. Now numeral. Numeral is a group of digits which is denoting a number is called a numeral. Suppose to form any number, you are using a different digits. So that number is called numeral because that will be a group of digits. As you can see this example, the numeral 423. This numeral 423 contains 3 digits. What are those digits? 4, 2 and 3. So it is a group of digits. So that is why this 423 is known as numeral. Now Indian place value chart. Look at the Indian place value chart shown here. As you can see in this Indian place value chart, there are total 9 places which are placed into 4 groups, 4 periods, namely ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. The first 3 places are placed in ones. The next 2 places are placed in the thousands period. Next 2 places are placed in the lakhs period. And the next 2 are placed in the crores period. So by this example, also you can understand how to read a number according to Indian place value chart. As you know that we have to start counting the number or read the number from the extreme right. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So according to Indian place value chart, we can read this number as 64 lakhs 39,184. And by using commas, we write it as 64, 39, 184. Children, we always have to insert a comma after each period whenever we are reading or writing a number in the place value chart, whether it is Indian place value chart or international place value chart. Now we will move on to the international place value chart. Many countries use international place value chart for reading or writing a larger numbers. So in this international place value chart, 9 places are there and these 9 places are grouped into 3 periods, which are as follows: ones, thousands and millions. The first 3 places are placed in the period ones. Next 3 places are placed in the period thousands. And the next 3 places are placed in the period millions. Students, while writing or reading a number in the place value chart, we have to read each digit in the same period together, except that once. Now we can understand international place value chart by this example. You can see this numeral. We start counting from this extreme right. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So according to international place value system, it can be read as 49 millions 637,582. And by using commas, we write it as 49, 637, 582. Again, there is a note that commas are inserted in a number after each period. Students, you have to keep this thing in your mind. Now, face value of a digit in a numeral. What do you mean by face value? Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Means it remains as it is, whatever place it may be occupying in the place value chart. So, by this example also you can understand, here is a numeral 768. So, in this 768, we have to find out the face value of each digit. So, here the face value of 8 is 8. As we have already, I have mentioned here that the face value of a digit is the digit itself. No changes there. That digit can be read as the face value of that digit in a particular number. So here the face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 7 is 7. So by this you can understand what is face value of a digit in a numeral. Now place value of a digit in a numeral. Place value depends upon the place it occupies in the place value chart. As you can see this numeral. You just consider this numeral and we can understand it. Here 72934. You start reading from the extreme right. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So accordingly, what is the place value of 4? 4. What is the place value of 3? 30. Because it is at the tens place. Place value of 9 is 900. It is at the hundreds place. Place value of 2 is 2000. Because it is at the thousands place. And the place value of 7 is 70,000 because it is at the 10,000s place. So by this way you can understand what is the place value of a digit in a numeral. So students, that's it for today. I hope you all will understand this. Thank you.